using Vim to create and edit a file. First, log into your server via SSH. Then navigate to the directory location you wish to create the file or edit an existing file. Next, type in Vim followed by the name of the file. For example, if you wish to create or edit a new file named test.html, run the following Vim space test.html. Afterwards, click the letter I on your keyboard to enter insert mode in Vim. It now shows insert on the bottom left. Then start typing into the file. When you're finished editing the file, click the escape key. This takes you out of insert mode, and the insert disappears from the bottom left of your terminal. To save the file, type in a colon followed by WQ. The characters colon and WQ appear at the bottom left. Finally, click the Enter key on your keyboard to save and exit.